Morning, respected Principal Ma'am, all my teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Anshika Srivastav. I am from class 11th from Mahapragya International School. Greet to all of you on this wonderful day. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. 5th September is the birthday of our former President Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who preferred his birthday celebrated as Teachers' Day. As we all know that because of this pandemic, we all are not able to celebrate the Teachers' Day offline. So we are here to celebrate the Teachers' Day virtually. Obviously, we feel very grateful to pay honor to our dedicated teachers, giving their precious knowledge, contribution in our better future and in shaping us. So for this, here are some of my friends from classes 9 to 12th who have prepared some activities to show thankfulness for our lovely teachers, which they are going to present in front of all of us virtually. So let's get started.
Good morning, all of you. My name is हर्षवर्धन सिंह बाटी. आई एम स्टडिंग क्लास 10th. आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता पेश करने जा हम स्कूल रोज हैं जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते। दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज, उस पर ज्ञान का अमिट लिखवाते। जाति धर्म पर लटे ना कोई, करना सबको प्रेम सिखाते। हम सफलता कैसे पाएं, कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते। सच तो यही है, स्कूलों में अच्छा एक इंसान बनाते। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू।
I am Palak Saxena from class 10 and today I am going to recite the speech on Teachers' Day. Just like every year, this year we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrate Teachers' Day. In India, the birth of anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as a teacher, Vice President and Second President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all teachers who have helped me to attain success in my academics. As we all know that it is impossible to define teachers. Secondly, teachers are second parents. They play an important role in influencing and inspiring us. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to salute our wishes to teachers today in recognition of their undetermined efforts. Thank you, teachers, for your valuable efforts and guidance. Thank you. And happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers.
Good morning, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. I'm Anshika of class 12 and I'm going to recite a poem for you. गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपकी आप से पहचान करा दे, तराश दे हीरे की तरह वो तुमको, दुनिया के रास्तों पे चलना सिखा दे, कर दे कायाकल्प वो तुम्हारा, सच और झूठ से साकार करा दे, हमेशा दिखाए सच्चा मार्ग वो तुम्हें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दे, मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम्हें वो इतना समझदार बना दे, बताए वो तुम्हें जीतना ही सब कुछ नहीं, हार कर भी जीतने का हुनर सिखा दे, गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपकी आप से पहचान करा दे। थैंक यू।
Very good morning to respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. As we all know, the Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So, I am here to tell you something about teachers. Every few people have the power to educate today's youth, and teachers did it very pretty well. God can't be anywhere, so He made the teachers for us. The way you teach, the way you give the knowledge, the care you take makes you the world best teacher. Good luck, keep going, and we proud of you. Happy Teachers Day again.
Verma, I study in class 9th. Today I am going to speak a speech on Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of the September of every year. The day is chosen to honor one of the greatest educationalists and scholar of the nation, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Born on 5th September 1888, Sir Radhakrishnan requested their children to rather celebrate his birthday, they must celebrate the day as Teachers' Day. Since 1962, the day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Besides, Sir Radhakrishnan was also a re-honored politician with high esteems and was appointed as the first Vice President and the second President of India. However, 5th October is recognized as the World Teachers' Day since 1994. The day glorifies the teachers worldwide for their constant guidance and hard work in building the life of the student. Also, it tends to raise awareness about the role of the teachers in creating a healthy society. They inspire us to bring about the best in ourselves and serve the country. Without teacher, there is no lawyer, no doctor, no IS officer, no researcher, and no astronaut. Teachers support and guide us through our path towards a bright future. Thanks to all the teachers for their guidance and constant support. Thank you so much.
Good morning, Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends, and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you to make us a better person and inspirations a lot. I am Palak Patel and I am going to speak a poem on Teachers' Day. Why God made teachers. When God made teachers, He gave us a special thanks to help us understand His world and truly compressed this beauty and the wonder of everything we see, and became a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us way in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. When God created teachers, in His wisdom and His grace, was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place. Thank you, all the teachers, and once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anne from class 9. Today I am going to speak a story on Teachers' Day. Every year on September 5, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is being celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. Radhakrishnan was born in poor Brahmin family in Andhra Pradesh in 1880. He was a bright student and through scholarships completed his study. A great scholar, philosopher, and a Bharat Ratna awarded, Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President and second President of independent India. During his tenure as a President of India from 1962 to 1967, his students and friends requested him to celebrate his birthday. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be proud, clever if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday has been observed as Teachers' Day. Radhakrishnan graduated with a master's degree in philosophy and authored the book The Philosophy of the Rabindranath Tagore in 1917 and placed Indian philosopher on the world map. He went to teach at China's Prithvi College and Calcutta University as a professional, the Paiswali College in Madras and the University of Calcutta. He was popular among the students and was seen as brilliant teacher. He later served as vice chancellor of both Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University and was recognized by the Oxford University when he was called to fill the chair of Splendid Professor of Eastern Region. In 1939, he was elected Fellow for the British Academy. Radhakrishnan became the first Vice President of India in 1952 and took on the role of National Second President in 1962 until 1967. Thank you and a happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Meher Verma. Happy Teachers' Day. September 5th is the birth anniversary of one of the modern India's most notable teachers and philosophers. The late Shivari Radhakrishna, who was the Independence Indian second president, we have observing it ever since his passing away as our country's Teachers' Day. Just as a country is good as its people, so its citizens only as good as their teachers. Therefore, a great deal depends on you, teachers, and I salute you of all of you for your passion, dedication, commitment, and contribution. It is the teacher who sees a statue in the stone black. It he who identifies a spark in the child and turns it into fire. And surely the student is the bank where you deposit your most precious treasure. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Myself Aman Jajunda. I am from class 11. I wish a very happy Teachers Day. Now we are about to concluding the program. I want to thanks to respected principal ma'am, all my teachers and my dear friends for making this day such a wonderful session. Lastly, I would like to say that teachers are like candle. A candle is like a teacher who first provide the spark, the kindness love of learning in children's mind and hearts like a burning candle. Teachers light the mind, enhancing lives and future by the sharing of their time. Thank you.